Honorable Chibaya describes Chivi South opposition member Amato Ndekar as a catalyst for change. A crowd of about 2,000 mourners, including family members, opposition supporters, and citizens from Chivi South and surrounding areas, gathered to bid farewell to prominent opposition figure Amato Ndekar. Remembered for his tireless fight for change, Ndekar died at Neshuro Hospital in Mwenezi after being transferred from his home, where he had been found in severe pain. His sister, Mercy Ndekar, confirmed that the family requested a post-mortem, and the body was taken to Masvingo Hospital. Speaking at the funeral, Honorable Amos Chibaya, a senior opposition leader and Chivi native, praised Ndekar as a catalyst for change, brave, principled, and loyal to the cause. Chibaya urged citizens to rally behind Citizens President Advocate NELSONCHAMISA, saying his leadership could deliver the Zimbabwe Ndekar envisioned. Inclusive, tolerant, and prosperous, Ndekar's political journey began under the late President Morgan Richard Tsvangirai, winning a councillor seat in Ward 25, despite repeated threats and political violence, often from ZANU-PF supporters. He remained steadfast in advocating for rural communities' rights and welfare. His vision was a Zimbabwe where love and tolerance reign. No matter one's political beliefs, Chibaya said, we must remain united and steadfast in pursuit of that dream. The funeral drew local chiefs and village heads, a reflection of the respect Ndekar earned. Mercy Ndekar described her brother as loving and deeply devoted to his family. Ndekar leaves behind a young family, and his legacy as a champion for change will continue to inspire generations striving for a just and equitable society. Change is possible, but it requires all of us. The love, courage, and dedication Ndekar showed must live on in our communities. Stand for justice, speak truth to power, help your neighbor, work for a Zimbabwe that serves every citizen.